The federal government has appealed to the Senior Staff Association of Nigeria Universities, SSANU, and the Non-Academic Staff Union of Education and Associated Institutions, NASU, to suspend their planned strike. Minister of Labour and Employment, Senator Chris Ngige, made the appeal while fielding questions from State House correspondents after a closed-door meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari in the Presidential Villa, Abuja. Ngige said discussions to resolve their problems had been intensified by relevant stakeholders. He pleaded with the affected unions to give government 3 months to enable it forward supplementary budget to the National Assembly to cover arrears of the minimum wage that had not been paid to them.
So it's a question of them giving government some time. I'm very optimistic that if they give us 3 months, the finance minister will do the needful.
On the issue of IPPIS, the minister had this to say.
On the issue of IPs, we explained to them again that it's something that is of general application. A lot of civil servants, public servants have complained that some of their allowances were omitted in the payment of their emoluments. IP's office explained that these were things that they do as work in progress, putting back those allowances, and showed evidence that they have put back so many. So these two issues are the cardinal issues in the points they have made.
On whether the government would invoke no work, no pay policy should the workers go ahead with the strike, Ngige said he believes good judgment will prevail.
I don't want to go to that area because I presume that good sense of judgment will prevail. The leaders of SSANU and NASU are very knowledgeable persons. They are very experienced in labor matters. Their General Secretary, Comrade Adeyemi, Prince Peters Adeyemi, and Ibrahim, who is new on saddle for SSANU, they are experienced labor leaders. They know they will not go that route. They know if they go that route, it will be an illegal strike. They know that if they go that route, yes, they also have a right to strike, but the employer also have a right to some relief. And they also know that when they go that route, it means that they've broken down the negotiation in my place. They're not listening. And the labor laws also says what I can do if I find that I cannot manage a situation. The law says I can refer those disputes upwards, starting from Industrial Arbitration Panel to the National Industrial Court. So these are the options that are left.
The minister, who also reacted to the appointment of Ahmed Idris as the Accountant General of the Federation, AGF, said the president did not violate any law of land. Ngige said the president exercised his constitutional powers to retain Idris in office after clocking the retirement age of 60 years.
The president has exercised his powers under Section 171 of 1999 Constitution as amended in reappointing Mr. Ahmed Idris with effect from June 25, 2019, not even today. So the man has a tenure of 4 years, which will, by efflution of time of appointment, lapse 2023 June.